hello everyone, I am Vishal, I am founder of Turns. So we are launching a new product into the India market. It is India's first laundry and dry cleaning kiosk. It is built for self-checkout process. People can install it anywhere in the malls, apartments, stores. So it will help to eradicate manual intervention and human intervention, which will reduce cost. And it is most advanced Android-based technology, which will really help in scaling the business.
So as Vishal told, it's India's first self-serve for laundry and dry cleaning. So this is for the customers who can just place directly order from this screen. They just have to claim this. They have to select the service. Like suppose we want to just give wash and fold. We enter the weight. Let's suppose I is giving 3 kg. Add to cart. And then we can see what is our cart is going on. You can see, sir. We can see that's 3 kg, 330 rupees. If I want to add it, let's suppose I want to add more weight. So I can add it like it's 5 kg. Then there are two options here, pay now and pay later. Let's suppose I am doing pay now. So I have to enter the mobile number. If a customer is already present here, then we have to enter the OTP. We receive the OTP. It's automatically verifying. Hi Vishal Gupta. So we have to choose the payment method. Let's suppose I am doing the UPI, confirm and pay. The order would be created and then admin, who is the owner of this particular kiosk, they get the notification and customer gets the receipt from here. That's our self-serve model.
Turns is a very good software which we have been using for the past couple of months. So the look and feel of the software is good. It has a lot of features which is very helpful. They have thought of additional features also which, over the process of time, you will tend to use all those features. So it's a smoothly accommodated one from the POS to the app or the fleet. They've put in a lot of thought and hard work and effort into this, and whenever I go back to them with queries, they do respond, which is very helpful to us because some of them do not respond. They tend to push you up. That is the most important thing which I feel which helped me connect with Turns.
Turns is day by day is growing actually. Along with us, there are so many changes we have been looking so far, and it is also upcoming. As of now, so far the experience is very, very amazing. Absolutely, they are nailing it. In terms of technology, in terms of AI, in terms of visualizations, in terms of live tracking, it is going very, very good. My actually so much wishes to Turns team. They recently launched a laundry and dry cleaning kiosk that's surely going to help us all such customers in terms of time saving, in terms of more AI tech business,